All right, kiddos, I wanted to make you an informative thing on how to use some PowerPoint tools and make a really cool PowerPoint. So here's my information that I researched. And I want to set up at least, it looks like, let's see, this would make a good introduction on what I know. What I want to know turned out to be 3 different categories. So I'm going to make a slide for each one of those categories, and then I'm going to put this information that relates to what I wanted to know on that slide. So the first thing I do is I'm going to go to a new slide, and to do that you're going to click new slide, and I usually do blank because then I do all kinds of fun stuff with it. So I'm starting off with my blank side, and this is going to be my introduction. So I want to make it fun, so I'm going to insert a shape, and I like this one. You can make it as big, as small as you want. You just click and you drag it. So this is my introduction, and I'm just going to type all the stuff that I already knew about dogs. I decided to research dogs. And let's say I want to put a fancy picture in there. So I'm going to take an online picture, click on that, wait for it to pop up, and I'm just going to type in dogs. And I'm going to find what I want. Oh, this one's cute. So I'm going to right click him, I'm going to click on him and see the check came up. And I can click on more than one if I wanted. He's cute, and click him too. So I got 2 pictures I want to put in. So it's going to put them in really, really big. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on them, and I'm going to click the little circles and make them smaller. So I'll put this guy over here, put this little beagle over here, make him a little smaller. And then if you have writing like that, you can pull that out and actually backspace and delete it, and it'll go away. Same with down here. Just got to be careful because sometimes it'll click your picture too. So that's how you get pictures in there. Here's another fun thing I really like to do is I like to format my background. So I have some backgrounds saved on my computer, and I'll show you how to get them from the internet. So say that, oh, this little beagle is so cute. I want him to be my whole background because my whole thing is about dogs. I'm going to click on him, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy him. I'm going to right click my blank part again. I'm going to go to Format Background. That'll bring up this little sidebar over here. I want a picture or texture fill. So I can click on that. What I did when I hit Control C or copied this picture right here is I copied him to the clipboard. So what I can do is click my clipboard and see now he's my background. If I want it on all of my slides, I just hit Apply to All. And say that's a little too, dark. I want to be able to see I want my words to pop more than my picture. You can make it a little more transparent. It's a little lighter. So it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to keep it just like that. And then if you do anything like that, you need to hit Apply to All again. So I've got him a little lighter back there. Now something else I really like to do is change my font and change my colors of my shapes to match my background. So green or white or brown would really match. So I would click on my shape that I made, click on Shape Format, and I'm going to look in this box right here. So I can hit the double arrows here, and I can pick any one of these that I would like. I like these because they're ready to go. They're already done. But what I can also do is I can go to Shape Fill and pick any color that I want as well. So now for my text, I'm going to highlight my words that I wrote. And you see this box comes up. I'm going to change it to some fancy writing that I like, but something that people can still read. So I really like this one because it seems really readable. And I'm going to make it bigger. So I want it to fit the whole box. So here are a couple of tips and tricks on how to use PowerPoint. I hope you guys have fun using it today.